Obviously, over the past several days, we've been plagued with extreme heat here in Austin, and we've now been noting evening thunderstorms that have become strong to severe. Now, both of those things in the summertime are not entirely uncommon. However, sometimes when the conditions are right, you can get a rare weather phenomenon called a heat burst. Let's take a look at the temperature trends from Spicewood Monday night. You can see temperatures peaking at 102 degrees for the afternoon and then obviously nodding off towards the hours of sunset. But then randomly, our heat burst occurs, shooting temperatures back up to 103 degrees near 9 p.m. While it looks random, last night there were a few severe thunderstorms out in the hill country. Hot air from the day is what fuels those storms. Then, as they drop heavy rain over your neighborhood, it cools the surface and the column of air below it. When there is limited warm air left, the storm weakens. But it's left with a dry, almost vacant space below. The cool air at the top of the space is dense and drops towards the surface fast. As the air plummets, it condenses, which is a warming process, or in this case, a heating process. This sends a big plume of hot air to the surface where it hits the ground and spreads out in all directions. You might compare the feeling of a heat burst to opening up the oven to check on dinner and you get a rush of very hot air. And with storms in the forecast this week and our excessive heat warning extending into the midweek, this may be something we see again.